Want to grow your business? Of course you do. Every business owner dreams of expanding their reach and increasing their sales. But how do you make that dream a reality? Think bigger. Think global. The world is full of untapped potential, and your business can be a part of it. The internet connects you to billions of potential customers worldwide. Imagine the possibilities when you can reach people from different cultures, backgrounds, and regions. That's a massive opportunity you don't want to miss. Every day, businesses are missing out on potential sales because they aren't thinking globally. Google Merchant Center is your key to unlocking international e-commerce. It's not just a tool, it's a gateway to a world of new customers. It's a powerful tool that lets you showcase your products to shoppers in multiple countries. With just a few clicks, you can make your products visible to a global audience. More visibility means more sales and more growth for your business. When more people see your products, the chances of making a sale increase exponentially. Don't limit yourself to your backyard. The world is vast, and there are countless markets waiting to be explored. Expand your reach, tap into new markets, and watch your business soar. The potential for growth is limitless when you think beyond borders. Ready to take your business to the next level? It's time to embrace the global market and see how far your business can go. Let's dive into how to add multiple countries to your Google Merchant Center account. This step-by-step guide will show you how to set up your account for international success, ensuring that your products reach the right audience, no matter where they are in the world. First things first, you need a Google Merchant Center account. Already have one? Great, let's get started. Log into your Google Merchant Center account. This is your command center for managing your product listings and reaching customers globally. Once you're logged in, you'll see a menu on the left side of your screen. Click on Products. This section is where you'll add and manage all the information about the amazing products you want to sell internationally. From here, we can start adding new countries to your target market. Now let's create a new product feed specifically for the country you want to target. A product feed is simply a list of your products with all the important details. Click on the blue plus button to add a new feed. You'll need to choose the country where you want to sell your products. This ensures that your product information is displayed in the correct language and currency for that market. Next, select the language your target customers speak. Google will automatically translate your product information, making it easy for shoppers to understand and buy from you. With your new feed created, it's time to tell Google where you want to sell your products. You have the power to target specific countries and regions within those countries. Choose the destinations for your feed. This tells Google which shoppers should see your products. You can get as specific as you want, targeting entire countries or even individual cities. Once you've selected your target destinations, review your settings and click Save. Congratulations! You've just taken a huge step towards expanding your business internationally. Section 5. One feed, multiple countries, streamlining your approach. In today's fast-paced digital marketplace, efficiency and simplicity are paramount. Managing multiple product feeds for different countries can be a daunting task, but Google Merchant Center offers a solution that can significantly streamline this process. Already have a product feed set up? Great, you're already halfway there. The good news is, you don't need to create a new feed for every single country you want to target. Instead of juggling multiple feeds, Google Merchant Center allows you to add multiple countries to an existing feed with just a few clicks. This feature is designed to make your life easier and your operations more efficient. Imagine the convenience of managing all your international product listings from a single feed. Google Merchant Center lets you easily add multiple countries to an existing feed, ensuring your products reach a global audience without the hassle of multiple setups. To get started, go back to the Products section and select the feed you want to modify. This is where the magic happens. Click on the three dots next to the feed name and choose Settings. This will open up a range of options for you to customize your feed. In the Settings menu, you'll find the option to add or remove countries from your target market. This flexibility allows you to adapt to changing market conditions and expand your reach effortlessly. This streamlined approach not only saves you time and effort, but also reduces the complexity of managing multiple feeds. By consolidating your efforts, you can focus on what matters most, growing your business and reaching new customers. Remember, efficiency is key to success. By leveraging the one feed multiple countries feature, you can optimize your workflow and ensure that your products are available to a broader audience with minimal effort. Embrace this streamlined approach and watch your business thrive. Section 6. Play by the rules. Adapting your products for new markets is a crucial step for any business looking to expand its reach and grow its customer base. Every country has its own set of rules and regulations, which can vary significantly from one region to another. Before you start selling internationally, it's essential to conduct thorough research and understand the legal landscape of each target market. It's crucial to ensure your products comply with the requirements of each target market. This involves understanding not just the legal regulations, but also cultural preferences and consumer expectations. Review your product data carefully. This includes everything from ingredients and materials to safety standards and environmental regulations. Make sure your product descriptions, images, and labels meet the specific guidelines of the countries you're targeting. This might mean translating text into the local language, using appropriate symbols, or adhering to local advertising standards. This might include translating product information, adjusting units of measurement, or modifying packaging to meet local standards. For example, some countries require metric measurements, while others use imperial. Taking the time to adapt your products demonstrates your commitment to providing a positive customer experience. It shows that you respect and understand the needs of your international customers. It builds trust and credibility, which are essential for establishing a strong presence in new markets. When customers see that you have taken the effort to meet their local standards, they are more likely to trust your brand. Paving the way for long-term success in new markets requires careful planning and execution. By adapting your products to meet local requirements, you open the door to new opportunities and set the stage for sustainable growth. Collaborate with local experts and consultants who can provide valuable insights and help navigate the complexities of international regulations. Their expertise can be instrumental in ensuring that your products are compliant and well-received in new markets. Successfully adapting your products for new markets can lead to increased sales, a broader customer base, and a stronger global presence. It's an investment that can pay off significantly in the long run. Remember, the goal is to make your products accessible and appealing to customers around the world. By taking the time to understand and meet their needs, you can build a loyal customer base and achieve lasting success in the global marketplace. Section 7. Shipping and taxes. The logistics of global expansion. Shipping and taxes can be tricky when selling internationally. You need to factor in shipping costs, customs duties, and local tax regulations for each country you target. Update your shipping and tax settings in Google Merchant Center. Provide accurate shipping rates and delivery times for each destination. Make sure your pricing is clear and transparent, including all applicable taxes and fees. By providing clear and accurate information up front, you avoid confusion and potential customer service issues down the line. Remember, transparency builds trust and fosters positive customer relationships. Section 8. Unlocking growth. Your journey to international e-commerce success. Congratulations! You've taken the necessary steps to expand your reach with Google Merchant Center. Now it's time to sit back, monitor your performance, and watch your business grow. Track your sales and identify your top-performing countries. Analyze your data to understand what's working and what can be improved. Use this valuable information to optimize your campaigns and maximize your return on investment. Remember, international e-commerce is a journey, not a destination. Embrace the learning process, adapt to new challenges, and celebrate your successes along the way. Section 9. Embrace the power of Google Merchant Center. Google Merchant Center is a powerful tool that can help you reach millions of new customers worldwide. By adding multiple countries to your account, you unlock incredible growth potential for your business. Take advantage of the resources and support available to you. Google provides comprehensive guides, tutorials, and a dedicated help center to assist you every step of the way. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. Millions of businesses around the world are leveraging the power of Google Merchant Center to achieve international e-commerce success. Section 10. Ready to crush it. Now that you know how to add multiple countries to your Google Merchant Center account, it's time to put your knowledge into action. Don't wait another minute to start expanding your reach and growing your business globally. The world is your oyster. Embrace the power of international e-commerce and watch your business soar to new heights. Remember, fortune favors the bold. Are you ready to take your business to the next level? The time for action is now. Section 11. Let's connect. Did you find this guide helpful? Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more valuable insights on e-commerce, marketing, and business growth. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Let's learn from each other and build a community of successful entrepreneurs. I'm excited to see you crush it in the world of international e-commerce. Let's connect and grow together.